Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is time once again for the Saturday Night Short Track Group Build 2025. This is my video of intent to join in, and we'll discuss what happened last year shortly. But I want to share with you some thoughts and ideas I had about this year, and maybe even two of them. So let's get into it. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.net. Hey guys, if you're not familiar with the Saturday Night Short Track Group Build, head over to the new Facebook page. It's Saturday Night Short Track Group Build 2025. Put that in, check out some of the entries coming in. You do not have to be a content creator to be part of it. It runs from July 1st, so I'm a little late getting into it. And it goes to July 1st of next year. So you got an entire year. It's all about your local short track race cars. Nothing to do with NASCAR or anything like that. It's just the weekend warriors, the Saturday night guys that you would see at any local track on Saturday night. This is hosted by Jason at Blue Ox Model Shop and Mike at Scale Model Outlaw. And I want to say thank you to them for hosting this again. This is its second year. Had a really great time with planning and looking at what everybody else was doing too. You can go on YouTube, put in Saturday Night Short Track Group Build, and look at what everybody did last year too. Now, to my shame, I did not finish mine by July 1st of this year. My Mustang that you see here is going to be finished for Atlanta, so I'll be sharing that with you right before then. But I wanted to debut that in Atlanta this year and just have a really good time with that one. I'm way off schedule on it. I apologize for that, but I stopped it last year so I could finish the Lumina for Atlanta, and here I am doing the same thing, but this time the Mustang being the main thing anyway. I do want to do a couple of short track cars this year, and I'm saying a couple because, guys, that's right up my alley. I just love these short trackers. And you know, I shared with you in one of the recent videos this one that I picked up from Matthew over at Model Car or MCV Products. And I've already got my colors picked out for this, everything about it. So it is going to happen. And it may be part of this, but I did want to try to do a couple. I've got one short tracker that's the old NASCAR Grand Am series from the late 60s, early 70s that I really, really wanted to jump on. And so I pulled it out, and it's a 69 Camaro, and it is this car. Tiny Lunds Pepsi 69 Camaro. And I've got a great set of decals, as you see here, from, I think I got these from Mike's. And here's the 69 Camaro. And you've got two sets here. Now check out the silver foil numbers and engine sizes, sponsored by Pepsi. This was, again, a Tiny Lund car. Three colors. You had a medium to dark blue, a lighter blue, and then a red on the top sides there, but really, really cool. And this decal sheet came with, if you wanted to do the 70 and 71 version, which was this light blue Camaro, as you see here. And I think that light blue with these bright fluorescent numbers would be cool too. But always like that, silver foiled numbers on that 69 Camaro, and I think that's what I want to try to do, is the 69. It's going to require a little bit of work on the chassis and things like that, but that's not a big deal. And, you know, something else, this car right here, you see it was the 71, by the way, that car won the 1970 and 71 Grand Am Championship. The Pepsi car did. But this one, actually, I saw show up, and online I could not find a picture of it, but I saw this show up at Greenville Pickens Speedway in 1971, and it had the round tail lights, the Camaro tail lights, but it had a 70 Firebird nose on it, which I always thought was cool. It had Camaro tail lights and a Trans Am nose on it, a Firebird nose, which that was unique to say the least. Anyway, that is one of them that I'm considering doing, and I'm really swaying toward this one as being one of them for sure. And again, that late model, I really into that. But this is another one that I've had for a long time that I've thought about. If you remember, my dad and my uncles had 39 and 40 Fords that they drag raced, but I got this because, hey, it's a 40 Ford. And just an old, early modified. This thing, it will be a challenge in itself in that the tires are all two-piece, hard plastic. But you know what? I don't know that I've ever done one like this. I've had two-piece tires before, but I don't know if it was that hard. I don't remember it being hard plastic. And those are the front, and then there's those great big meaty back tires. But looks like a pretty simplified kit. Haven't built this, so I don't know. But I think it would be kind of fun, not go all out, but just have some fun with it. And you know what? For some reason, this box art kind of is cool. You got that orange chassis, the white, the orange, the kind of purple with the 13s. I don't know, guys. That kind of speaks to me a little bit. But anyway, that's another option. And the other one I broke out is this 34. And this one, I think it's one of the old MPC kits. I did, years ago, the Pinto and the Vega. Yeah, the Rat Trap Vega. And this has got and I'll tell you for what they are, these are nice treaded tires. But you know, I took some of these and sanded them down and took the tread off and made them asphalt tires. In fact, these are the ones going on my Mustang, I think. But I think that might be a good looking little car too. Just a early modified, make it an asphalt. But if you're going to jump in on this, and I hope you do, have fun, and whatever your local Saturday night that you remember is, whatever it is, just have fun with it. If you need some inspiration, head over to your local round track and see what catches your eye. Guys, I hope you jump in on this group build and have fun with the rest of us. I look forward to seeing what everybody's going to do. Remember, go over to the Facebook page so you can participate over there. You do need to head over, check out Jason and Mike's video on YouTube, which covers the rules, and there's not really that many rules. Like I said, it just can't be a NASCAR. And if you have any questions, you can post them on the Facebook page or leave them in the comments on the YouTube channel. But I hope you join in. Guys, God bless. I'll see you in the next video.